All right, girls and guys. Well, as summer's here, the customer's starting to break out the good toys. We have got a Ferrari 812 Superfast in, weirdly, for another battery replacement. Now, this is very similar to the GTC4 Lusso that we did, so let's show you how to do it. But before we do that, just look. I mean, can't even explain to you how stunning these things really are. And it's good to see that it's in sport mode as well. I am a Ferrari man, I'm not gonna lie. Look at the curves on that. Ooh. Anyway, to the battery. So there's a little cover here, two little twisty things that you remove. There's a little washer there. And I've already removed this, which goes on top of the battery there. Now, we're gonna undo all of these little Allen keys. I think they're 4mm Allens. Take all that out, and we're gonna have to take part of the parcel shelf out to get to the battery. Right, so this whole section's come out. It is 9 screws in total to get that out. Slightly excessive, but shock absorbers look easy to change. So 9 screws to get all that out, and then we can finally start seeing the battery. But again, we need to remove the scuttle panel and another Allen key, potentially something under that. Don't need to take the wipers off, but there is 2 8mm, I think they're 8mm, one there and one there, and another screw there, which I didn't see. So 3 screws, 2 8mm, and whatever's hiding under that cap. And let's get the scuttle out. All right, so there's a few more screws than I remember. So there's one there, one there. One goes there, one goes there, one goes there, and then one goes there, and then the 2 8mm here, but then what I didn't see is that little Phillips that goes there. Then that scuttle panel will come out. It feels a little bit over-engineered, but it is a Ferrari, so what do you expect? Okay, scuttle panel out. Now, that Phillips that went in the side was indeed a pain. When you get it up, there is the scuttle drain off pipe, which is one jubbly, so you need to get that off as well. Next up is, again, a series of Allen keys to get this bit out. I think it's a little bit more than what it was in the GTC, but you need to undo these 3 first to get the pipe out of the way, and then these 3 to get the box out, or the scoop, I'm not sure what it is. Let's get it out. 6 removed from the top, but wait, you've got that pipe connected with a jubbly there, just to make it a little bit more interesting and awkward. So undo that one, then that box comes out. After a while, we have finally got to the battery. So there's 2 little Phillips here, 10mm, 10mm, disconnect this, 10mm, 10mm, break your back, get the battery out. I mean, really, I would say over-engineered. It can't be like the Cali where it's in the front. They put ECUs there, which is fine, but at least that was easier to change a battery. They could have oh no, water. Okay, I see why they've done it. I mean, who am I to question? This thing, so very nice. Also, the customer has said there will be a sound test at the end. Mainly the reason why I took the job on, I'm not gonna lie. I said, I'll do it, but you gotta do a sound test. And he went, all right, yeah, fine. And she's out. Once these come off, I've just tucked that over there. I've removed the plate. That wiring's there. The positive wiring's over there. And the original battery is there. I'm starting to collect these. I've got one there and I've got one there. Good times. So now, new battery's up there. Let's get it in. All right, well, the battery's all in. The 2 Phillips are down. Everything's tight. That one, that one, that one, and that one. And the bracket's tight. Now, we're going to start with that big cover at the back first, and then rebuild it moving forward. But these are quite nice. It does help that I've had practice. This is very, very similar to the GTC. Not as fiddly, and they had a little Phillips screw that was annoying there, where this one's back there. So very, very similar. It's so lovely. All right, so it's all in. So the annoying Phillips is back in that side. That's all in. Now just time for the big panel, and then we've got to fire it up. All right, so all 9 screws are all in all the way down here. Now it is actually that time, once I put that trim on, to start it up. Now the bit we all kind of want to see. And we'll let it warm up for a second. The customer is in the building, so we're not doing this without his knowledge, but we are all good. We need to plug the computer in, so we've got an engine light on, which we're not expecting. So we'll get the computer, we might need to code the battery, so we'll do that next. Oh no, the engine light literally went away as soon as I blipped the throttle. I'd love to race it. Okay, so hold on. So customers well aware, we're about to do sound check. Then you're going to get a tissue. So that's it. How to change a battery on a GTC4 Lusso. Obviously that cover's going back on now, so this one is done.